Hello everybody, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. Today's video was requested by Tanya's Beauty Box. Please go check her out. Very nice person. You will love her. My name is V if you're new here, and for all my old subscribers, hello. Tanya requested the PALETTEOPOLY by Beaute. I did a couple videos back on that and it is fun. So this is what it looks like. These are the cards. And I'll put a little clip in there so you can see what I did with the cards and how I select this look right here. As you can see, I start writing and then I had to erase. This is the look I'm going to create today for the PALETTEOPOLY for Tanya's Beauty Box. All the shades I need to create the look is here, and this is the palette, PALETTEOPOLY palette by Beaute. The little game is truly pretty. It's nice, I like it, it's fun. These are the colors I'll be using. Beaute PALETTEOPOLY. So all my cards are on the table. I'm going to pick a card from these cards and I'm going to put it on here in order to create the look. Flip one card and flip another card. Is the way to play the game. You have to match in order to find what you're looking for. So I'm going to pick my cards and I'll get back with you in a few. I got my first match, VHS and fanny pack. So I'm going to put those down. My first shade say fanny pack, and that's for the crease. The crease color is fanny pack. That's my first color. This color right here is fanny pack. I have to put fanny pack in my crease because that's the game. So crease, here I come. You know I have hooded eyes, so I have a fake crease. So I go right here on top of the little bit of flab from my hooded eyes. So, oops, I forgot to put on primer. We're gonna do that. See the errors that happen while you're doing stuff? So many things happening. Right now it's raining and windy outside, so my mind was focused on that, and then here we go. Okay, I'm using Elegant Pro as my eye primer. I'll do this eye first because I already started with color on the other eye, and I have to fix that. Now we fix this one. We'll make it work. I don't wash off anything. I just work with it and make it become what it's supposed to. So you get an opportunity to see me fix something. Now we're ready to do the look. This is too funny. Take your palettes out. Let us have some fun, okay? It doesn't have to be the same palette. We're just playing with colors and having fun. Or it could be an all nude look. Let's have makeup fun. It's been a while. Let's have makeup fun. Okay, so fanny pack is the crease color, which is my number one. Again, I'm leaving my eyes like this, well relaxed, so I can find my fake crease from my big puffy eyes. I don't use any specific brush. I just use a brush and make it work. But you can use the correct brush if you like. So this is Fanny Pack in my fake crease, my hooded eyes with the flap. If you have hooded eyes, don't be afraid to create your looks. Just have fun. Whether you're going out or not, just have some fun. Now I'm just blending the color. Same on what you do to one eye, you want to do to the other eyes. As you age and you have puffy eyes, you have a lot of moving parts. If you notice, all this moves, this is moving. Just have fun with it. Have fun, okay? Don't be ashamed. Have fun. The outer corner shade is Material Girl, which is this color right here. According to the cards I picked. So Material Girl is a shimmer, Fanny Pack is a matte. So I'm going to take my finger and use Material Girl in the outer corner. Material Girl is a very pretty shimmer. They are cute colors in this palette. So this is Material Girl in the outer corner. I'm playing the PALETTEOPOLY with the Beaute PALETTEOPOLY palette. The third color is for the lid and it's a slime. Slime is this color right here. It's also a shimmer. I have a lot of shimmers and I love shimmers. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And it's going on the lid. This is slime. See how cute that is? Okay, lid. Right here is my lid. I have very, very small lids because my hooded eyes takes over. So that's slime. And don't forget, one eye is always bigger than the other. So you just try to match things as close as possible. That's it. Don't try going crazy trying to make both eyes exactly the same because there is nothing called perfect. You just try to work with what you have. Slime. Slime is looking cute. Take a look at slime. It's cute. The inner corner, the shade that I picked, well, the shade that came up in the cards is called Queen, and here is Queen right here. Let's see Queen in a corner right here. Concentrate. Woo-doo. Did I get it? Yeah, yeah. In a corner. This is cute. Queen was also a shimmer. Now, the last shade is for the lower lash line, and that color is called Fashion. Fashion is also a shimmer. I love lots of shimmers and I'm happy. This is Fashion. This is Fashion right here. Lower lash line, Fashion. It's a shimmer and all the colors are just falling in place. Lower lash line. Let's see. This is pretty. This is the PALETTEOPOLY. look that I did, and that was requested by Tanya's Beauty Box. Please go check her out. I am going to show you the swatches of the colors that I use in the order that I use them. Fanny Pack is a matte, and that was for the crease. That is Fanny Pack. Material Girl shade was for the outer corner, and it's a shimmer, and this is what it looks like. Material Girl. So Fanny Pack in the crease, Material Girl in the outer corner. My lid color is Slime, and Slime is also a shimmer, and it looks like this. This is Slime. Lid color. My inner corner shade is called Queen, and Queen is also a shimmer, which I'm so happy about all the shimmers. And it looks like this. Even though this color and this color looks close, they apply completely differently. And this is my inner corner. My lower lash line, which is called Fashion, is also a shimmer. Shimmer heaven for me. It's this pretty pink, and it looks like this. So these are the 5 colors that I use to create this look, and this is what Fashion looks like in the lower lash line. And then I use my Ulta navy blue pencil to line the waterline. And this is my look. Tanya's Beauty Box. This is the requested look from the PALETTEOPOLY by Beaute. I hope you took your palettes out today. I hope you played in some makeup or be creative with something else you like. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I, V, Simply You Makeup is saying to live life is short, have fun, and I will see you soon.